So yeah guys, as you saw on the video, we have some big problems. The baby's leaking compression. It does that when the engine is hot. It starts to bubbling from the radiator, and also the expansion tanks. There are some bubbles there, which isn't good. So what I will do, I will just remove the head in order to understand what's happening, but I think it's something related with the head. I hope it's only the gasket. I hope it don't have any cracks on the head, which if we does, it will be a bigger problem. So right now, let me just time lapse the disassemble of the engine, of the head, and see you shortly. So just remove the head, as you guys are probably seeing there. So there she is. I'm trying to understand where possibly it was leaking, but I can see that the channels are a little bit clogged up. I think this was caused by not using antifreeze before. But I will also, oh no, we just found the issue. Oh man, we have a crack in the head. Ah man. So we found the issue. We found the goddamn issue. So yeah guys, I think you guys just saw that we have a cracked head. So the next thing that we have to do is to actually order a new one, because the used ones we can find one with the same issue. So it's better to actually buy a new one and make sure that we solve the issue one time. So until further notice, that's it for now. Cheers. So another day, and good news guys, I managed to find another head, well, with some other goodies, which this is the upgraded, I think it's 10 blade. I'm gonna 1 2 3 4 5, huh? Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, yes, 9 blade fan, which is better. And also I managed to find a good condition head. Let me just unload it and show it to you guys. So there we go guys, a head in a very good, perfect condition. I'm just gonna clean it up to show you guys better how it's looking. Just finish it up cleaning the head, and as you guys probably tell, it's looking way better. It's still in good condition. So what I have to do now is to remove the injectors, the glow plugs, and the rail, also the exhaust manifold, and also the water pump housing to the newer one. I've just finished up bolting up everything on the new head from the old head, as you guys are probably seeing there. So now what you have to do is to go back into the car and clean up the area. Okay, so managed to clean all the area. Now what I want to do is to spray up the gasket, bring it to here and install it. I'm just installing the gasket. Which it sits just like that. And now it's time to bring up the head and torque it down. So now I'm adjusting the torque wrench for the first pass, which is 39 Newton meters. Okay, so now I'm gonna lock it to make sure it doesn't slip. Here we have 39 Newton meters. Let's start. We start from this one. Okay, so now we are still on the first stage. I'm going to increase to 44. Yo guys, this is pretty tough. This is really pretty tough, but I managed to bolt everything up, which is good. Whew. So guys, my battery just died while I was filming, so I wasn't able to show you guys when I fitted the camshaft, the thermostat and the injector plus the turbo, but everything is connected. I'm just missing to do the intake and then redo the other things. I will continue tomorrow. I'm just tired. It has been a day, so catch you guys tomorrow.